In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram sharing list not in order. Intro. Now, normally when you tap the share button on a post, and we'll use one of my own posts for example, it's going to pop up with a bunch of different people, and it's going to show you the people that you interact with the most. If it's showing random accounts or groups, instead what you're going to want to do is begin by opening up Instagram, select your profile icon in the bottom right, and then select 3 lines to open up your settings up in the top right. From here, what you need to go ahead and do is just scroll down and make sure your account doesn't have any violations or feature restrictions. If Instagram has limited parts of your account, it can sometimes affect features like sharing, and because the share list is part of that sharing aspect, it can cause it to show random people. If your account looks fine, you need to go ahead and actually back out of Instagram, and you need to just either uninstall it, or what I recommend doing is actually offloading it and then reinstalling it. To do that, you open up your settings and then you scroll down, select general, select iPhone storage, and then just search for Instagram on here. Once you open up Instagram, select offload app, and then of course go ahead and reinstall it. If you're on Android, you can just uninstall Instagram and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. It's kind of built in there, but the process is that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.